Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 18th of April 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. Recently, which technology firm collaborated with Bharat Petroleum Corporation Ltd, an Indian oil refinery, to improve its customer experience? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Microsoft Corporation. So, recently the Bharat Petroleum Corporation Ltd, an Indian oil refinery, has teamed with Microsoft to improve its customer experience. So it will also integrate cloud computing and artificial intelligence to help the oil and gas business adapt digitally. So Microsoft will supply BPCL with the infrastructure as a service. So the platform as a service and the cloud network and security service over the course of the 7 years partnership. Okay, so now question number 2. Who was recently awarded the EY Entrepreneur of the Year 2021 at 23rd EY Entrepreneur of the Year Indian Awards? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Faguni Nair. So recently the Faguni Nair has been named as the EY Entrepreneur of the Year 2021 at the 23rd edition of the EY Entrepreneur of the Year Indian Awards. So she is the founder and chief executive officer of beauty supply company Nykaa. So she will now represent India at the EY World Entrepreneur of the Year Award on June 19, 2022. Okay, so now question number 3. According to the official data, the import of gold in India has been rose by how many percentage on account of higher demand in 2021 to 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 33.34%. So according to the official data, the import of the gold in India has been rose by 33.34% to rupees 46.14 billion on account of higher demand in 2021 to 2022. So the import of gold in 2020-2021 was about rupees 34.62 billion. So the increase in gold imports has contributed to the widening of the trade deficit to USD 192.41 billion against USD 102.62 billion in 2020-2021. Okay, so now question number 4. Which bank was recently fined by Rupees 93 lakh by the Reserve Bank of India for a range of violations, including those related to KYC standard? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Axis Bank. So recently, the Reserve Bank of India announced that it has fined IDBI Bank and Axis Bank rupees 93 lakh each year, each for a variety of infrastructure, including those connected to KYC standard. So the RBI on the other hand stated that the penalties are based on regulatory compliances issue and are not intended to rule on the validity of any transaction or arrangement they have with their clients. Okay, so now question number 5. What is the time frame provided to satisfy the export obligation under the new export promotion capital goods norm? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 6 months. So Ministry of Commerce has aced export promotion capital goods norm to facilitate easy of doing business. So basically the export promotion capital goods norm are meant to estimate the export potential of the traders in India. Okay, so now question number 6. What exactly does the term poison pill strategy mean? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is a mechanism to allow buying of the additional shares to dilute the overall shareholding. So the Twitter board has come up with a defensive strategy to allow any shareholder who intend to acquire more than 15% of share to buy additional share at discount. So the Elon Musk has offered 43 billion USD to buy all the shares from the open market and acquire the company. Okay, so now question number 7. Which committee has recommended the Vyapar Credit Card are made accessible to MSME entrepreneurs? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Standing Committee on Finance. So the credit crunch being faced by the MSME, the Standing Committee on Finance led by Shri Jayant Sinha has recommended providing credit card to the entrepreneurs of the MSME sector. So the MSME contributes to 38% of the GDP and 30% of total manufacturing as per the Economic Survey 2021. So the COVID took a heavy toll upon MSME sector, leading to temporary closure of 16 lakh MSME. Okay, so now question number 8. Which ministry recently hosted a national conference on sustainable development goal localization? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Ministry of Panchayati Raj. So the poor performance of India on the global SDG index released by UNSDN, the government of India has taken the grassroots approach to improving on sustainable development goal. Okay, so now ninth question. On which day the Punjab National Bank, India's second largest bank, celebrate its 128th Foundation Day? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is April 12th. So recently the Punjab National Bank, India's second largest bank, has celebrated its 128th Foundation Day on 12th of April 2022. So on the occasion of Foundation Day, the MD and CEO of the PNB, Atul Kumar Goyal, has launched a cardless cash withdrawal service and a virtual debit card for his customer. So the bank also launched various services on its mobile app named PNB One for the safe banking transaction. Okay, so now last question. Name the Indian economics and political analyst who has been chosen for the Malcom Adiseshiah Award 2022. So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Bharat Patnaik. So, well-known Indian economics and political analyst Prabhat Patnaik has been selected for the Malcolm Award 2022. So, the award is annually given by the Malcolm and Elizabeth Adiseshiah Trust to outstanding social scientists selected from the nomination received by a specially constituted national jury. So, the award includes a citation and a prize money of rupees 2 lakh. Okay.